Introducing the Saramonic VGM, a versatile vlogging and video production solution for smartphones and cameras, providing a complete stabilization, microphone, and accessory mounting solution. Ideal for smartphones or mirrorless, DSLR, and action cameras, giving content creators, vloggers, and videographers the great sound, steady shot, and accessory mounting needed, with flexible customization options for any shooting style or device. Whether you need two-hand stabilization with numerous accessories for a cinematic shoot, a single grip stabilization for a vlog, or anything in between, the Saramonic VGM is the only rig you need. Great audio is just as important as a steady shot. That's why the VGM comes with the Saramonic VMic Mini, a broadcast quality cardioid condenser mini shotgun microphone that delivers detailed, crystal clear sound to your videos. Both TRS and TRRS output cables are included for smartphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack and for cameras with a 3.5mm mic input. No headphone jack on your phone? No problem. You can also easily pair it with an optional Lightning or USB-C dongle or adapter for mobile smartphones with no 3.5mm input. The VGM doesn't stop with stabilization and great sound. Easily mounts an LED light, an audio mixer, a power bank, a wireless microphone receiver, a monitor, and much more, even at the same time, to bring a higher quality to your video. The VGM's shoe mount top rail, sliding bottom rails, cold shoe mounts, and hand grips give users tremendous mounting and expandability options. Both hand grips also feature 1/4-20 bottom threads, allowing you to easily mount the VGM to a tripod or stand, and even add more accessory mounting capabilities. And the included wrist strap keeps the VGM secure when filming handheld. Uniquely versatile. Within seconds, it can be configured from a minimum width of 4.72 inches to a maximum width of 12.4 inches to accommodate however you're shooting. The options are nearly limitless. The Saramonic VGM is the complete stabilization, microphone, and accessory mounting solution you've been searching for, all for a remarkable price.